Hi, my name is Michelle Castillo. Today I'm going to show you a tip on how to create a modern look and feel to your website using a feature that is available on many of the page builders out there right now, specifically with Thrive Architect. Let's take a look at what I mean. Here is the first example. As you can see at the top of this page, there is a block area, very typical, and it has this wavy edge to it. A couple of years ago, maybe a bit more, it was really hard to achieve without a graphic designer creating this specific shape in a graphic file that needs to be a PNG file with a transparent background and so on. Today, as you will see, it is very easy to create. Another example, this is a diagonal kind of edge that looks really, really nice in the context of this page. So let's hop into Thrive Architect page and I will show you how to do that. So this page is on a demo website that I have, and it has a few blocks here, and we will work at the very top block. So let's start from scratch. As you see, by default, this block has a straight edge, and it has few options that we can choose from by first clicking on the block. And on the left side, we have a section called decoration. And here we can choose a decoration that we like. So you can have a slanted edge. You can change how slanted it is percent-wise, and you can change the direction if you want it the other way around. Another option which I use very often is the fancy divider. Once you select this one, you have a whole list of options you can choose from. So the one you saw on the first example was the wave option. As you can see right away, we have this wave look. If I save the work, we can look at how it looks in real world, or real world on the screen. Looks very nice. I hope you agree. And another option that I use very often is this one, when it is, of course, a good fit. So yeah, this is it. Just wanted to bring to your attention that there is more today to to page builders that makes your life as a business owner easier. And yeah, this is it for today. Look up for other videos and other tips on my channel, and I hope to see you soon.